All right, so a little video talking about the Great Texas Blizzard of 2021. So I live right outside of Fort Hood, and it's funny because of course, we started with snow and stuff, and I'm from Wisconsin, so it's kind of like whatever. But so they started closing roads down. I'm used to that. We've had some snowstorms here in Texas before, so that's pretty common. Um, but then all the roads started getting snow, and they haven't cleared anything other than major highways, which we're kind of used to. So it's like whatever. But because we've been pushing windmills in Texas, windmills, we got to do clean energy. That makes up like 20% of the power in the state. So all of them started freezing. So because all of them started freezing, we started having power grid issues. So what was happening is the power would turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on. And I don't know if you can see out there, but I got a pool. And because I got a pool, when it gets cold, pools have a little temp switch. So when it gets cold, it'll automatically turn the pump on. It'll just keep running. And pumps can run for, basically infinity. They can just keep running. They're designed for that. Well, when you turn the power off, then back on. The power off, then back on. Just like a starter on a car, they're designed to basically keep running, but when you first start it up, because it has to suck all the air out of the system because it's a below ground pool, it takes more energy at first. And because the power kept going on, off, on, off, on, off, it tripped the breaker in the middle of the night and it stopped running. So my pool pump froze, my lines froze, my filter froze, and a couple $1,000 in pool pump equipment exploded basically. So I got to drop a couple grand on that. Well, after they finally fixed the power turning on and off for almost 3 days, it was running fine last night until about 2 o'clock this morning when the power just shut off. So it's, I don't know, like 11 o'clock noon, something like that. I look at the clocks, but none of them are working because we haven't had power for almost 12 hours. And they say they don't know when they're going to have it back on. But the issue with the area we live in is because they're pushing the whole, hey, let's get away from gas and stuff, is they don't run gas lines in this area anymore. Only electrical. So I have no way of heating the house. Luckily, I'm in Texas, so my ass got a grill outside. So I'm going to cook dinner on that tonight because I got some stuff in the fridge that if I don't cook up, it's going to go bad. So me being from Wisconsin, I can brave like 20 degrees. It's not a big deal. Make some babak with chicken. But yeah, so no electricity. I got my little ghetto rig going. I got a deep cell power sonic battery. It's the one they use for like solar system stuff. I got an old trip light inverter I got in the military a long time ago. Doing all the kids' chargers and stuff because get nothing else to do except for playing board games and such. You get bored. Plus, the phones aren't working, even cell phones, because everyone's on their phones because the internet's being messed up from the power outages. Yesterday, I couldn't make a phone call. Every time I would, sorry, you place a call later. Sorry, place a call later. Sorry, you can't place a call right now. So I tried like 10 times, get through once. So it was almost impossible to make a phone call. Then internet service on over like 4G or 5G is ridiculously slow. I got my one prepper neighbor a couple houses down. He's running this big ass 10K generator as loud as hell. But so no heat in the house. We don't get natural gas because the Dems say it's bad for the environment. So we can't, I don't know if people have gas ones. You can usually turn it on and just put it to run and manually run it and light it with a lighter. Can't do that. Can't use a regular gas top stove because we can't have those. So pretty much I got some big old chunks of ceramic I'm going to suspend with some stainless steel wire and heat with a torch later to get the house a little warmed up. And I'm using a big old deep cycle battery to get stuff charged. Other than that, I got plenty of batteries. Lord knows I got plenty of flashlights. So yay, Texas Blizzard of 2021. Yeah.